Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my eyebrows when, I'm home. So it's not just in quarantine, like this is my normal routine because I just take care of them. I don't go anywhere because I'm an esthetician and I do that stuff. It's part of my job. So I usually wax them, but when I can't really get to the studio, I just do it from home. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I would love more ideas on what, my audience wants to see. So the first step that I do, I lay out all my tools and, what I'm going to need just so I don't have to get up and this and that. So in front of me, I have my mirror with my light is what I use, the magnifying mirror. So I usually have like a washcloth clean. And I lay that down, and what I use are these Revlon tweezers. I don't know if you can see that. So I personally like these ones better, like the pointy ones. It's just my preference, but use whatever tweezers you would like. And then all you need is an eyebrow spoolie. Honestly, if you do eyelash extensions, you can just use a mascara wand. That works too, because I've done it. I use these scissors. I just got them from Walmart. They're only a few bucks. This little razor. I'll show you what the packaging looks like. I got it off of Amazon, but they have it in stores just because I've been ordering everything offline while all this is going on. That's what it looks like, and it comes in a package of 3. And then my favorite what to use is the tea tree toner water from Lush. But if you don't have that, you can literally just go to Walmart and get witch hazel. You just need some kind of toner, to disinfect. And then I use these cotton rounds just to wipe everything down before and after, I do my eyebrows. The final product that I use is this lotion. It has no fragrance. It's very good for dry skin, sensitive skin, which I have. So that's everything that you're going to need. Now what I do first is I take this, like I said, take the witch hazel, take the whatever you got, toner, and just cleanse your brows, your middle area, wherever you're going to be working on, just to, you don't know what what dirts and oils are there, so you want to make sure it's clean, so you can avoid infections and all that. I'm going to put some more on another cotton pad, and I'm going to wipe that down. Wipe everything down. I always do it just because I'm in the habit of doing it, because that's how we have to do things. So the first one that I use to wipe off my brows, I save that because as I'm tweezing or, cutting, I'll wipe off. So I zoomed in, but what you're gonna do first is I like to look at like what I'm gonna take off, and I'll take my spoolie and I'll just brush everything just to see, how I want to shape it. So that's what I do, is just brush it up first. So what I like to do is go on the side first and do my tail, is what people would call it. And sometimes you need to keep the spoolie there. So I trimmed my upper, so now you're going to want to brush down. And get any long ones that are down. This is definitely not. I think that looks okay. And then for the middle, I'll use my little eyebrow shaper and do this little section right here. And when you use this, you always want to go in the direction that your hair grows, not against it like how you shave your legs. Because if you go against it, pretty much you're disturbing the hair growth, and that's what causes either ingrown hair. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do this. And it's okay too if you need to pull your skin tighter. So I just cleaned up right there. And a lot of people can use this like over here. I personally don't, because I don't like how it comes out. And then with the rest, I will tweeze over here and over here. I'll show you after. When you're tweezing, you want to, okay, I'm a righty, and you want to take your opposite hand and pull tight when you're tweezing. You don't want to just go in like this. Okay, so I did this off cam just because I can't be in this position while doing it. I have to look at the mirror. But I pretty much got it shaped how I want it. I got all like the little stragglers. The redness is normal. That's why I use the tea tree, because it's very calming for your skin. And now I'm gonna go to this eyebrow, but you can see the difference. Like, I only have to clean up the tail and just cut. This eyebrow, my right one, I work on a lot longer than this one. This one is like how I want to match this one. And also in between, like, I'm done with this eyebrow and then I just always wipe. So same thing, the middle, because I did the middle, and then I'll wipe over the one that I'm about to work on. And you always want to do that too, like as you're tweezing or while you're like trimming it, you want to keep your cotton pad or cotton round, whatever you use, with your toner on it, because you want to take off, you know, the hair that you don't need anymore, because sometimes it'll get stuck or it'll fall on your eyelash. You know, get it out of your working space. So the same thing. Like I said, this one doesn't take me as long, so I just go in. Get that extra. So I'm just gonna go in and tweeze all this, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So I just finished, and this is what it looks like. So now that I got everything how I want, I pretty much don't fill it in like at all, because my eyebrows are just so thick. I'm grateful for that. If you don't have a lot of hair on your eyebrows though, you can fill them in first and then do everything that I did, so that you can see where you want to outline and just, you know, take out what you don't want. I think they came out pretty good. You know, I do better with the waxer, but this is what I got for right now. So the last step, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of cream, not much, and this is my facial cream. I would use anything that's like non-scented, because you don't want to irritate it really, but you do want to keep it like moisturized. So another tip that I have is, if you have any redness at all on your face, or while you're doing your eyebrows or after your eyebrows, what I would recommend is rosehip oil, or just regular rose oil, but this one's from Baja Basics, and I've been loving this brand so much. Like, it's helped my skin so much, and I've used it for almost 2 months now, and within the first 2 weeks I saw a tremendous change in my skin, and it looks amazing. So my second one that I would use is this sea bucklethorn facial serum, and it has tea tree in it as well. And like I said, tea tree is very healing for the skin and very calm. There it is. Okay, this one's from Baja Basics too. I will leave a link down below. My link is only good until April 30th, so you get 10% off if you want any of their products. But anyway, if you have any redness, those oils will help. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, like I said, comment, give me some ideas. So make sure you subscribe, and definitely check out the description, because I'm gonna leave that link for you guys. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.